Hello everyone, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. Once more, my name is again Paspico. So I'm very happy to have this wonderful opportunity again for us to share more. Today we are going to look at Excel, how we can use Excel. Let me say something small about Excel. Excel is a very good software that we can use to simplify things in this modern world of technology, or in this ICT world. So today probably I'll handle Excel, and under Excel I'll be taking you through some of the features of Excel, some of the main features you should know about Excel. Before you start using Excel, you should get to know some of the features in Excel. Okay, let me get to work. So this is my Excel. Probably I'll open it. So that's my Excel. So in Excel here, you're seeing, you can first of all see the features. So you can see how features here. So today I want to take you step by step some of the features of Excel. One of them is the workbook. What's a workbook under Excel? A workbook, you can even see this is workbook 1. So a workbook is like a file where you can work and store your data in. So a workbook consists of very many sheets with the rows and column, and each sheet have a different content, maybe formulas, maybe charts, so on the rest. So under workbook you can have very many sheets. So this sheet 1, let's add, you can even another sheet, can even add another sheet. So you can see sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet. You can add very many sheets as you want, and a workbook. So probably a workbook is a file where you can work and store your data in. So probably that's all I can say about a workbook. So under Excel you should know what is a workbook. As I already explained, workbook is where you can store and work in your data. It consists of you can have very many sheets under one workbook. Then another feature is under Excel still, that is a worksheet. So another feature of Excel is a worksheet. So probably what's a worksheet? A worksheet is a single page under Excel where you can input, organize your data, like where you can do in your work. So a worksheet is a single page under what? A worksheet is a single page under workbook. So probably that's a sheet 1. So this is what? A worksheet, and this is sheet 1. So under worksheet, a worksheet consists of rows. So these are rows you can see, then these are what? Columns. So this is what qualifies to be called what? A worksheet. It's where you can input in your data, analyze, organize, and do anything. So probably this is what they call it, a worksheet. Then another feature is the active cell. That is active cell. So what is active cell? Active cell is a selected cell where you can input your data. Let me step on this. So you can see this is what they call it, what? The active cell. You can see this green color. So it means now this cell is active. You can edit, or you can put in something. So let me type something here. So you can see that's what they call a active cell under Excel. So probably is that cell where you can put in your data. So like this one, you can see that's what? Active cell. You should have that color. That's what they call active cell. And another feature again of Excel is and that is the formula. So what are formulas under Excel? So formulas under Excel are, formula is defined by, in Excel it's just some mathematical formulas that you can use to perform calculations under Excel. You don't need to press the calculator again when you're dealing with Excel. So everything about calculations is here under Excel. So but before anything in Excel starts with equal sign. If you want to add something or something also, let me sample. Let me like I want to add something here. This one here. I want to put in some. I want to add something. So probably everything starts with what? Equal sign under Excel if you want to calculate something. So you can see we have this automatic sum. So this is why in case you want to find the average of something, just come and click here. So you can see average, sum, count numbers, maximum, minimum, and more functions. If you tap on more functions, so you can see there are more functions here. You can still use sign, but so all these are functions, formulas under Excel that you can use when doing your mathematical calculations. So Excel almost has everything in it. As a calculator, it's just like a calculator, you can do everything. So then let me take again through like another feature under Excel. We have quite many. Another feature like the formula. Let me just say the formula bar. Formula bar is where like if you are doing your calculations, automatically what you have pressed, you can see when it's a formula bar. So when you're doing your calculations, maybe you want to find the average or the total number, so everything you're doing Excel, the formula will appear here. The formula bar, this is a formula bar. So every calculations, every step you are making, so you can even like in case you are confused, maybe you don't know what you have pressed, you can automatically check on the formula bar because everything will be written here. Then automatically you'll be able to get back on the right track. Then another feature under Excel is and that is the name box. So what's the name box? A name box is located at the left hand corner of the formula bar. So and okay, that this is it. So these are what they call a name box. So that thing will appear here, the cell where your calculations are being in. Like if let me say I've already talked about the cell, you know it. So that particular cell will appear here where your calculations is taking place in. Then the formula will automatically appear. Okay, thanks for watching this video. More videos are still coming, exciting videos. I'll be taking through some of the errors in Excel and how we can fix these errors. So see you in my next video. So you can go ahead to subscribe, comment and like. See you next in my next video.